Welcome back to Al's Arctic Tundra here in Minnesota. My God, it's cold in the shop right now. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Today, we have a fun head-to-head lined up for you. We have the Ryobi subcompact against the Ridgid subcompact. Now, I've been dying to do this head-to-head for a long time. I got a new half-inch auger bit, and we have slightly used but still sharp. This one over the edge of the file. 1-inch auger bit. We're going to do some drilling tests with these two today for you, and see which one falls apart or blows up, catches on fire. Who knows? It's going to be a fun. First, we do the Ryobi, guys. Fully charged up, the new subcompact battery that comes with the tool. We have brand new half-inch auger bit. We're going to see if we can do this on high. Now, there are two holes that go down about 1.5 inches into the 6x6 post here, so we are going to go a little bit lower right here in the corner. All right, guys, can't you do it? In high, ready, set. Back it out a smidge to get the hole done, but it did it. Let's see. Whoa, dropped her down 2 bars. Not 1 bar, I guess. All right, she's rigid. Try it right here. Ready? On high. Get set. Go. Go. Drill is smelling a little funky there. I broke it. So I started to record some video of me drilling different drills with the 2 drills with frickin' Ryobi over here. Started talking shit. What'd you say, Ryobi? Talking smack? Okay, are we good? I'm sorry. I'll make you look good. I won't talk so much smack. I'm sorry. The Ridgid wins every round. I'm sorry, okay? Don't be mad at me. Fully charged up, guys. We're gonna go right to the big auger. I'm low. Full battery. Ready. Get set. Go. Whoa, you didn't like that, did you, huh? I was beating a dog over here. Alright, we're gonna call that it for the Ryobi. I'm sorry, you want to keep going? Here we go. Beating a dog with a dog. Alright, we're good. Good job. Yeah. Team Green. Get set. Go. Boom!
Is it the tombstone?
The tombstone! Did you see that? Shh, don't tell Ryobi. Got the new Diablo set. I just picked this up from Home Depot, guys. Great stocking stuffer for your loved one. It was $19.99 and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 of these self-feeding Diablo Spade bits. Very nice. Alright, because we have a smaller drills, let's just do, we'll do a 1/2 inch just for the hell of it. The Ryobi is demanding to go first. It's now 1 bar, so it's cold as shit out here, guys. Brand new 1/2 inch. Do 2 holes. Can you see what the hell I'm doing? Ready, get set, go. Nice. Nice. Alright. Now, put on the big boy. Try it again. Ready? Start the clock. Oh, like butter. You tell me that's not faster. Watch that. High performance. And yes, that's on high. Huge difference, guys. Fully charged up. 3. This is the one that I just put the video out, guys. That was $49 for this compact 3 amp hour battery. Well worth it, guys. The Ryobi's not very happy that I got to do the Ridgid. Also down 1 bar. She's a little chilly. We'll put her on high. Do 2 holes, then we'll switch into the high performance battery. Can you see what I'm doing? Wow. Nice. High performance. 2 holes. Wow. Standard. Standard. High performance, 1 more time. Not pushing. The tool's doing all the work, guys. Bam. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, both fully charged up, high out performance batteries. Here we go. Switch hands and bits. What does this prove, guys? Nothing. You know why? Because it's for science.
Yes, science!
It's for science, I tell ya.
Yes, science!
Alright. Gotta keep them tight to my body so I don't break my wrist just in case. Ready? See, I'll start the Ryobi first just to give it a head start. Still 1. Ooh, there's a tie there. Well. So there you go, guys. Ridgid, Ryobi, mashup. Both pretty much the exact same tool. Are you team orange or are you team green? Right? Don't talk smack about Ryobi because they'll drill a hole right in your ass. 50 more RPMs. But that's really about it. Both 1/2 inch chucks. They both are 23 plus drill. Yep, 23 plus drill chucks. Plastic. Nice rubber over molding on both of them, guys. What else can I say? I like them. Check them out. Right now they're on sale. I think it's $100. You get the whole kit. Not bad. With that being said, hit that like button, guys. Don't forget, turn on notifications so you miss out on all my future content. Yes, I just said miss out. Don't miss out on my future content, guys. Let me know if you like new style videos. Try to switch it up. Try to make it a little more entertaining for you guys so it's not so damn boring. You know what I mean? Stay safe, guys. Much love. See ya.